Welcome to this tutorial on utilizing workflows, permits, and approvals within the SiteApp Pro Form Builder. This overview will guide you through setting up these features in the Advanced Settings panel. This is the first part of a series focusing on integrating these functionalities into your health and safety process. Let's discuss approvals. Approvals can complement workflows or function independently. They add an additional layer of approval to any form. For instance, if a form requires inspection upon completion, an approver can confirm or deny its readiness from the mobile app. To set up an approval, specify the number of approvals needed, the assignee type, and the assignee. Ensure that the minimum number of approvals is less than or equal to the number of assignees. Approvals can be integrated with workflows, ensuring that the submitter form must be approved before triggering the workflow. This prevents accidental activation of large workflows. Permits offer time limits on workflows and prefixes for numbering systems. Time limits help in adding completion timeframes for forms, while prefixes aid in organizing and reporting. To illustrate this, let's set the time limit for our incident workflow for 7 days. This means that our staff will have 7 days to complete all of the tasks within our workflow. And we can set the prefix for this workflow as INCD to indicate that it's for incidents. You can also customize the numbering system under your My Business page. Just head to My Business, select Settings, and select whether you would like your numbering system increased by site, by form category, or just across your entire account's forms. Workflows enable you to assign follow-up forms after the initial form submission. For instance, you can set up follow-on tasks for incident reports. When an incident form is completed, additional forms can be triggered as follow-on tasks. To set up a workflow, simply select the desired follow-up form from the list and specify the assignee type. Submitter assigns the follow-on task to the person who completed the initial form. User Groups assigns the task to all members within a specified user group. Individual allows you to select a specific individual, such as your health and safety manager. Once selected, the form and assignee details will appear in the list. You can customize the workflow as needed, adding tasks and assigning them to different types of assignees. Additionally, you can create a closeout trigger task, which serves as the final form to complete before closing the workflow. For example, this could be a review form assigned to your health and safety manager. To summarize, we've covered approvals, permits, and workflows within the SiteApp Pro Form Builder. But stay tuned for our next video, where we'll demonstrate interacting with these features from our mobile app.